Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I personally feel like the last week or two has not been the greatest for remote work from home jobs. I'm hoping that the slowness is just because some companies have fiscal year end in June. The end June 30th. New budgets start on July 1st. And of course, new positions are always included in the new yearly budgets. Not everyone works on a calendar year. Plus, it's school time, graduations, vacations, that kind of thing. So I'm hoping we get better job leads soon. I continue to scroll through the internet looking for the best out there. But of course, if you have anything that you've come across, please feel free to share that with everyone in the comments below. Let's all help each other work from home so we can have that great work-life balance. But this job lead is from the company Acumatica. Now, they have only 97 reviews on Glassdoor, so please do your own research on this company before giving them any of your personal information. But out of those reviews, they do have a very high score. They come in at a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring an HR operations specialist, HR being human resources. This is remote full-time for the United States. Now, their job page includes a lot of information and the print is very tiny, so I am going to try to blow this up as much as I can in editing. But this is just one of those examples that you can get a good high-paying job without having to have a college degree. This job is going to pay anywhere from $70,000 to $80,000 a year and does not require any kind of degree. But they're basically looking for someone to help support their human resources department. Think about if you've ever worked in a job before, things that your human resources department does or things that you would reach out to them for. You're going to help maintain accuracy of all the employee data and information in their HRIS system. You're going to become an expert on their HR processes, helping create SOPs and roll out global processes. You're also going to assist with the execution of HR programs like employee engagement. LMS, which I believe we use LMS where I work, is a learning module system for up-to-date learning and education and any other special projects. You'll also do things like set timetables. I'm not sure if they have a separate payroll department or if their HR handles payroll as well. You're also going to help coordinate and set up the interview process for getting new hires in. So you'll be setting up and scheduling those phone interviews and phone screens, coordinate travel and expense reimbursement, all of those things. Now, again, no college degree is required. They do want somebody who has 3 or more years of some kind of human resources experience, someone who knows how to use HRIS or ATS platforms, someone who can thrive on creating operational efficiency, so someone who can look at a process and make it better. And they do want somebody who has strong technical skills. Now, their pay is very, very tiny down here in the very bottom print, but again, pay is anywhere from $70,000 to $80,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.